Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, Mana, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, Mana, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. Mana's creative director Sam Hamilton says that, while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and especially during a panic crash. Therefore, the higher this number is, the more probable a crash might extend due to panic selling. Since 24 January, the number of Bhutan gold terms held on centralized entities has dropped from 33.5 million to 12.4 million, revealing that 21.1 million Bhutan gold terms tokens have left the exchanges. This has alleviated the potential sell pressure, hinting that these investors are positive on the price performance of Banker in the near future. Edge rejects it. Similar price action could result in a 19% correction to $1.71. But if the support level fails to hold, Mana could dive further toward $1.21. It is worth noting that a rise above $2.78 could invalidate the pessimistic outlook. Moving past the crucial resistance area could encourage sidelined investors to re-enter in the market. Under such unique circumstances, Decentraland could have the strength to surge to $3.75. The sandbox hangs by a thread. The sandbox is holding above a critical area of support that bulls must defend to avoid further losses. SAND has lost 0.84 points in market value over the past week. The sudden correction pushed the Metaverse token to the x-axis of a descending triangle it has been contained in since mid-November 2021. The sandbox must now hold this level as support to avoid a correction. The height of the triangle's y-axis anticipates that a decisive daily candlestick close below $2.56 could trigger an almost 68% retracement. Such a significant sell-off could see SAND dive to find support at 77 cents. The push above $3.30 could invalidate SAND's bearish thesis. A sustained daily close above this resistance level could trigger a breakout, pushing the Metaverse token toward $5.37. Mana price consolidates near the vital support level, suggesting sellers might be exhausted. Still, the price remains vulnerable to volatility towards the make-or-break point. If the Mana buyers are able to hold above the key $2.50 level, it would trigger another run-up in the asset. Mana price faces multiple rejections near the $2.80-$2.85 supply zone, as the bulls lack the conviction to carry forward the gains on the daily chart. After tagging the recent E3, an ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product thinker than Bob to collaborate with in bringing this all to reality. Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the Metaverse mania with the world's first virtual beer in an apparent app at all the action going on in the Metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what it claimed to be the world's first virtual beer on Decentraland. The move is nothing more than a joke. Heineken announced the launch in a press release on Thursday. Dubbed Heineken Silver, the beer will only be available at the company's Metaverse brewery in Decentraland. Taking its joke further, Heineken invited several real journalists to witness the launch of its fake beer, later adding that guests received a treat of pixelated lobster and caviar at the launch event. According to the brewing giant, the whole idea behind the virtual beer is to poke fun at us, and many other brands, that have jumped on the Metaverse bandwagon. Describing the ingredients in Heineken Silver, the company said it is made out of the freshest pixels. No mold, no hops, no yeast, no water, and also, no beer. While having a virtual beer may come in handy in a gaming environment, Heineken believes that certain things are best enjoyed in real life, and brews are definitely one of them. Although Heineken has slammed its product with the title of the world's first metaverse beer, this is not the first time a beer manufacturer has entered the space. Miller Lite holds the honor of creating the first beer on the metaverse, having opened its Meta Lite bar last month. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.